Lesson: Overview of AI applications across industries. Artificial intelligence is reshaping industries by enhancing operational efficiency, transforming customer experiences, and enabling innovative business models. Professionals across diverse sectors are increasingly deploying AI tools to solve complex problems and gain a competitive edge. This lesson delves into AI applications across various industries, providing actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can directly implement. In the healthcare industry, AI has revolutionized the way diseases are diagnosed and treated. Machine learning algorithms are employed to analyze medical images, facilitating early detection of ailments such as cancer. For instance, convolutional neural networks have demonstrated superior performance in identifying malignant tumors in mammograms compared to traditional methods. Tools like TensorFlow and Keras enable healthcare professionals to build and deploy these models effectively. By integrating AI with electronic health records, predictive analytics can identify at-risk patients, allowing for proactive intervention. For example, the use of AI in predicting sepsis has led to a significant reduction in mortality rates. These applications underscore the potential of AI to improve patient outcomes and optimize healthcare delivery. In the financial sector, AI applications are enhancing fraud detection, risk management, and customer service. Machine learning models analyze transaction patterns to detect fraudulent activities in real time, minimizing financial losses. Algorithms such as random forests and gradient boosting are commonly used for these tasks, with platforms like scikit-learn providing the necessary tools for implementation. Additionally, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, such as Amelia and Watson Assistant, streamline customer service by handling routine queries, freeing up human agents for more complex issues. In portfolio management, AI algorithms assess market trends and optimize investment strategies, providing tailored advice to investors. These applications highlight AI's role in increasing efficiency and reducing risks in financial operations. Manufacturing industries benefit from AI through predictive maintenance, quality control, and supply chain optimization. AI models predict equipment failures by analyzing sensor data, thereby reducing downtime and maintenance costs. IBM's Watson IoT and GE's Predix are examples of platforms that facilitate predictive maintenance by leveraging AI. For quality control, computer vision systems inspect products for defects, ensuring consistency and reducing waste. AI also optimizes supply chains by forecasting demand and managing inventory, leading to improved operational efficiency. For instance, Amazon employs AI to predict product demand, adjust inventory levels, and streamline logistics. These applications demonstrate the transformative impact of AI in enhancing productivity and reducing costs in manufacturing. In the retail industry, AI personalizes customer experiences and optimizes inventory management. Recommendation systems, powered by collaborative filtering and deep learning, provide personalized product suggestions, increasing customer satisfaction and sales. Amazon and Netflix are pioneers in this domain, using AI to drive customer engagement and loyalty. AI also aids in dynamic pricing, adjusting prices based on demand, competition, and customer behavior, thus maximizing revenue. Tools such as Google Cloud AI provide retailers with the analytics capabilities required for these applications. Furthermore, AI-powered inventory management systems forecast demand, reducing overstock and stockouts, and enhancing supply chain efficiency. These applications exemplify AI's ability to drive growth and efficiency in retail operations. Transportation industries leverage AI for route optimization, autonomous vehicles, and traffic management. AI algorithms analyze traffic data to optimize routes, reducing travel time and fuel consumption. Companies like UPS and DHL utilize AI for logistics optimization, improving delivery efficiency and customer satisfaction. Autonomous vehicles powered by AI are transforming transportation by enhancing safety and reducing human error. Tesla's autopilot and Waymo's self-driving technology are at the forefront, leveraging deep learning and computer vision for vehicle navigation and obstacle detection. AI also assists in traffic management by predicting congestion and optimizing traffic light control, improving urban mobility. These applications illustrate AI's potential to enhance efficiency and safety in transportation. In the realm of education, AI personalizes learning experiences and automates administrative tasks. Adaptive learning platforms such as Smart Sparrow and Newton use AI to tailor educational content based on individual learning styles and progress, enhancing student engagement and outcomes. AI also automates grading and administrative tasks, allowing educators to focus on teaching. Tools like GradeScope employ AI to expedite grading and provide detailed feedback, improving the efficiency of the assessment process. Additionally, AI analytics provides insights into student performance and behavior, enabling data-driven decision-making in educational institutions. These applications highlight AI's role in transforming educational practices and enhancing learning experiences. The energy sector employs AI for optimizing energy consumption, managing power grids, and integrating renewable energy sources. AI models predict energy demand, enabling efficient load balancing and reducing energy wastage. Siemens and Schneider Electric utilize AI for smart grid management, enhancing grid reliability and stability. AI also facilitates the integration of renewable energy sources by predicting weather patterns and optimizing energy storage. Tools like Google's DeepMind have been used to optimize energy usage in data centers, resulting in significant cost savings and reduced carbon emissions. These applications underscore AI's potential to drive sustainable energy solutions and enhance operational efficiency in the energy sector. In agriculture, AI enhances crop management, pest control, and resource optimization. AI-powered drones and sensors collect data on soil health, crop growth, and weather conditions, enabling precision agriculture. Machine learning models analyze this data to provide actionable insights, improving crop yields and reducing resource usage. Companies like John Deere and Climate Corporation leverage AI for pest and disease detection, automating and optimizing farm management practices. These tools help farmers make informed decisions, enhancing productivity and sustainability. These applications illustrate AI's transformative impact on agricultural practices and resource management. AI's application across these industries is not without challenges. Ethical considerations, such as data privacy, bias, and transparency, must be addressed to ensure responsible AI deployment. Frameworks like the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation and the AI ethics guidelines from the IEEE provide guidelines for ethical AI use. Additionally, professionals must continuously update their skills to keep pace with AI advancements. Online courses and certification programs, such as the CompTIA AI Essentials certification, offer structured learning paths to enhance AI proficiency. In conclusion, AI is a powerful tool that, when applied effectively, can drive innovation and efficiency across various industries. By leveraging practical tools, frameworks, and strategies, professionals can harness AI to address real-world challenges and enhance their expertise. The examples and case studies discussed illustrate AI's transformative potential and provide actionable insights for implementing AI solutions. As AI technology continues to evolve, staying informed and adapting to new developments will be crucial for professionals seeking to leverage AI's full potential.